Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1¼ cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. If you spot even a single fly, act immediately. It's a sign that more could be on the way. Instead of using chemical sprays, make the simple natural remedy. Pour about 10 ounces of water into a glass container. Grind a handful of cloves into a fine powder and add it to the water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried rosemary. Then toss in some mint, and finally, pour in some vinegar. Let this mixture sit for 24 hours. After that, strain it through a piece of gauze. Now you can use it in 3 different ways. Pour it into a spray bottle and spray areas around your balcony, windows, or doors to keep flies from entering. Another option is to pour the mixture into a small container, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke small holes in the top. This trap can be placed near doors or windows. You can also soak cotton pads in the mixture and rub them on window and door frames to create a natural barrier. This amazing blend is an effective way to keep unwanted flies out of your home. A simple, natural method for a more comfortable, insect-free space. It kills all pests in 5 seconds. You will need a jug or another container. Pour a liter of water into it. Take regular flour from the kitchen cabinet and add 1 tablespoon to the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly so that the flour dissolves and doesn't form lumps. Next, using a funnel, pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Apply the spray after sunset. Use it regularly on flowers. This will help control pests and protect the plants from their damage. You can use it on succulents, flowering plants, or regular houseplants. It combats various pests, such as aphids or spider mites. When mixed with water and dish soap, the flour creates a sticky layer that settles on insects, making it difficult for them to move and breathe. This method works naturally and safely, minimizing the risk of plant damage and reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Spray your windows with this. No more flies inside. This is hands down the best trick for keeping flies away. I mix just 2 ingredients with water and spray it around my window and door frames. This natural repellent keeps flies from sneaking into your home. And it works on mosquitoes and ticks too. You only need 3 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. No need to buy expensive chemical sprays anymore. This DIY solution takes just a minute to make, and it actually works. Grab a pitcher and a spray bottle. Pour in 200 milliliters, about 3/4 cup, of water, then add 200 milliliters of vinegar. White or apple cider vinegar both work great. Stir it well. Now take your essential oil. Add about 40 drops. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil all do the job. Stir again. Pour the mix into your spray bottle. Spray it around your window frames, door frames, and if you have a patio door, spray that too. For even better protection, lightly mist your curtains. Thanks to this spray, you can enjoy a bug-free home all spring and summer. No more buzzing in your ears. Put cinnamon in the dish soap. This combination even surprised me. Prepare a pot and pour half a liter of water into it. Then take 2 cinnamon sticks and drop them in. Place the pot on the stove and simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the cinnamon to release its aroma and properties. Now, pour the contents into a bowl and remove the cinnamon sticks. Next, add the dish soap, which effectively removes grease and dirt, leaving surfaces clean. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps dissolve the grime and boosts the mixture's effectiveness. Mix everything thoroughly until the ingredients combine. Prepare a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour the solution into it. Cap it, and you've got a homemade spray that will solve a specific problem in the summer. Spray it on the kitchen countertop, cabinets, bathroom tiles, or even outdoor furniture. Finish by wiping everything down with a microfiber cloth, which leaves no streaks and perfectly completes the job. With this mixture, you'll not only clean surfaces thoroughly, but also make these areas free of insects or bugs. The cinnamon scent is unpleasant for many insects, creating a natural scent barrier that bugs are reluctant to cross. Get rid of bugs in 10 seconds. This is the strongest insect repellent possible. Your enemies will disappear in no time. I'm sure you have the ingredients for this mixture at home. Take 5 cloves of garlic and peel them thoroughly. Its smell and juice are very repellent to various bugs. The same goes for onions, so take 1 red onion, peel it, and chop it. Put these prepared ingredients into a blender, then add 250 milliliters of water. To enhance our insecticide, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, preferably cayenne. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Blend everything together. Strain this mixture into another container. Prepare a large vessel and pour in 1 liter of water. Add the blended mixture to this water. Pour the combined solution into a spray bottle. Spray it on flowers or other plants in your garden. This spray is also perfect for getting rid of ants and other insects. Just spray them, and you won't have any more bugs. This great solution prevents pests from damaging garden plants. Since I discovered this method, there hasn't been a single fly, ant, or cockroach in my home. I got rid of them effectively, without using any harmful chemicals. Grab a large skillet and pour in about 1 1/4 cups of water. Add around 2 tablespoons of whole cloves. Their strong scent and insect-repelling properties are amazing. Heat everything over medium heat until the water darkens and a pleasant aroma fills your home. Once the mixture is ready, add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda boosts the effect of the clove infusion, neutralizes odors, cleans surfaces, and repels insects. The mixture will start to fizz. Stir until fully combined. Let it cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. But that's not all. Add a few bay leaves too, as their strong scent helps repel pests even more. This spray can last up to 2 months and works especially well in the summer. Just spray it on door frames, kitchen cabinets, and windowsills to keep bugs away. I haven't seen a single ant or fly in months, and my home is completely free of cockroaches. This is my secret method for dealing with various insects in the house. With this trick, you can get rid of ants, cockroaches, spiders, silverfish, and even bed bugs. This spray will also prevent them from coming back. First, pour 500 milliliters of water into a pan. Add a handful of cloves, then pour in 250 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Add 100 milliliters of alcohol and dissolve 2 lemon-flavored effervescent tablets. Insects hate citrus scents. Once the tablets stop bubbling, mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now you have a ready-to-use natural insect spray. Spray it in all the places insects love the most, such as plants, windowsills, doors, and corners. Remember to apply it regularly to keep bugs away. Try it yourself and see how effective this homemade solution is.